So children, see here next problem, that is ninth one. Here angle AOC is equals to angle ACO. Okay, what is that condition? Angle AOC. So angle AOC. So here this is angle AOC, here angle which is equals to angle ACO, and angle BOD is equals to angle OBD. So which two angles are equal they are saying? First thing is angle AOC is equals to angle ACO. AOC. This angle is equals to angle ACO. So here angle. Let us take that. This is equals to some alpha. Here I am going to take that symbol as alpha. Okay. So this is alpha and this is also alpha. Why? Because in that question only they given that those two angles are equal. Okay. Next come to that second condition. Angle BOD, which means here angle BOD is equals to angle OBD. OBD. So here angle they are saying angle OBD. So angle which is formed at O and angle which is formed at B, those two are equal they are saying. So this is I am going to take as beta. Okay, I taken here two angles, one is alpha, another one is beta. So according to that question here they are saying that these two angles are equal and these two angles are equal. Okay, that is the given question. So when you observe that given figure, here we can observe that AD is one of the line and CB or BC. Okay, those two are two lines intersect at a point O. So this is a point of intersection only now. Point of intersection. So at that point of intersection, opposite angles, the angles which are formed opposite to each other at that point of intersection, we will call those two are vertically opposite angles. So according to that condition, here alpha is equals to beta. Okay, why? Because the condition is vertically opposite angles and we know that vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, that's why here the condition is alpha is equals to beta. Okay, so here I can take that alpha is equals to beta. Shall I write like that? Why? Because here these two angles are equal. Here for suppose 30 degrees, here also 30 degrees only. Okay, by using that condition, just I am taking that here 30 degrees there means 30, 40 there means here 40, here 50 there means opposite also 50. Okay, that's why here, okay, alpha is equals to beta condition, we know that. So here also we can take that beta is equals to alpha, no? A is equals to B, in reverse condition B is equals to A. 40 is equals to 40, in reverse 40 is equals to 40, whatever it may be, those two are same, right? So by using that condition, these two angles are equal. We got one of the clarity. Now what they are asking, what is the relation between the given lines AC and BD? That's what they are asking, no? Then from that options we can say that what they given, the relation between AC and BD lines. Okay, so AC and this is BD and AD is a transversal or BC is a transversal. Okay, AC and BD are two lines. I am not saying parallel lines. We have to prove that. So two lines, and here I am going to consider that BC is a transversal. So BC is a transversal, AC and BC is a transversal, and this is a BD. So here these two angles are equal. I am saying alpha is equals to beta and this is also alpha is equals to beta. So when you observe this diagram, here we can observe that Z shape. We can observe that Z shape. So here these two angles are equal. So these two angles are equal. So which angles those two are? Yes, those two are alternate interior angles. So easily here we can say that alternate interior angles are equal. Okay, if that alternate interior angles are equal, if alternate interior angles are equal, then the given lines are, parallel. This condition already we learned that. What is that? If that alternate interior angles are equal, then the given lines are parallel. So which lines they are asking? What condition they are asking? Those two are parallel. So which option is correct? So option 1 is wrong here. And come to that next. AC is not equals to BD and AC is not parallel to BD. That is also wrong. So which option is correct here? Option 3 is correct. Okay, those two are equal means those two are parallel, not equal. Okay, so here what is that correct option? AC is parallel to BD. Okay, so let us see that next 10th problem. Here L is parallel to M. First condition is L is parallel to M and P is parallel to N. That condition they given, no? So here angle 1 is equals to 75 degrees. So one of the condition also given. What is that? Angle 1 is equals to 75 degrees. So here they are saying this angle is equals to 75 degrees. Now we need to find that remaining two angles, no? So by using that given condition, what is that? Given that L is parallel to M, P is parallel to N. Okay, those two are the given condition. First I am going to take that L is parallel to M, then which is a transversal? Here P is a transversal. Okay, and here P is also parallel to N. So these two lines also we can consider that parallel lines only, no? Here these two lines are parallel and these two lines also parallel. Okay, that's why I am taking that condition. Here angle 1 is equals to angle 3. Yes or no? Why? Because here P is a parallel to N, then which one is a transversal? L is a transversal. L is a transversal. So here angle 1 is equals to angle 3. What is that condition? Because those two are corresponding angles. Those two are corresponding angles. That's why angle 1 is equals to angle 3 is equals to 75 degrees. Okay. So here angle 3 also equals to 75 degrees. Okay. Now which one we need to find out? Angle 2. According to that options, just observe that here in all options they are asking about angle 2 only. Okay. So we need to find that angle 2 here. So from that diagram, angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degrees. Why? Because what is the condition? Because those two angles forms co-interior angles and these two angles forms here 180 degrees. Why? Because in that question already given these two are parallel lines. So parallel lines condition given. So must be co-interior angle sum is equals to 180 degrees. Okay. So by using the condition co-interior angles. Okay. So angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to already we know that 75 degrees which is equals to 180. So angle 2 is equals to 180 degrees minus 75 degrees. So angle 2 is equals to 105 degrees. So what is the value of 2 here? Angle 2 is equals to 105 degrees. Okay. But when you observe that given options, here just observe that options are directly option not given. So we have to simplify that options also and we know that what are the values of angle 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So let us see that the first option angle 2 is equals to angle 1 plus 1/3 of right angle. So first I am going to take that angle 1 plus 1/3 of a right angle. Right angle is nothing but 90 degrees. Okay. So angle 1 is equals to 75 degrees. Already they given in that question. So angle 1 is equals to 75 plus 1/3 of 90 means that is nothing but 30 degrees. Okay. So 75 plus 30 is equals to 105 degrees. This is about that angle 2 only they are asking, no. So angle 2 is equals to what is the option? 105 degrees we know that. So angle 2 is equals to 75 plus 30. After simplification of that options also we should get that the angle is 105 degrees only now. Okay. So that's why here option 1 is correct. If you go for that next one, here this is a 2/3. 2/3 means Already we know that 1/3 value, that is 30 degrees. So 2/3 means 30 into 2, 60. 60 plus 75, that is 135 degrees. So here we should get that the angle is 105 only, no. So that's why here option 1 is correct. So we can simplify the remaining also. You simplify the remaining options. Okay. So children, here the next problem. If AB is parallel to CF and BC is parallel to ED. Okay, those two are the given conditions. So then here which condition follows that? Okay, so just to say that question again. Here AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to ED. Okay, here parallel lines are given, which lines are parallel also they given. Here just which angles are equal, just we have to go from that options. So what is that first option here? Angle ABC is equals to angle BCD. Here each and every option we have to check. Okay, so angle ABC. So here angle they are saying ABC is equals to BCD. Okay, they are saying that these two angles are equal. Okay, yes or no, just to say that. Here when you observe that these two lines are parallel and here BC is a transversal, so we can observe that Z shape here. Which shape? Already I told you that here we have to observe that F shape or Z shape. Any one of the shape, no. So which shape is there here? We can observe that Z shape. So Z shape is there means those two are alternate interior angles. So we know that if the given lines are parallel, then alternate interior angles are equal, no. So here these two angles are equal. Okay, that's what given in that question also. That is angle ABC is equals to angle BCD. It is possible or not? Yes, it is possible. So option 1 is correct. Okay, here each and every option we have to check now. Okay, so go for that another one. Angle FDE. So angle FDE. So here angle, take this one as some Y, and here FDZ. So FDZ means this one only, no? Okay, just observe that what is the relation between these two angles. These two are adjacent angles, right? These two adjacent angles and forms here a linear pair. Those two are adjacent angles and those two angles forms here a linear pair. So those two forms linear pair means those two angles should not be equal here. Okay, those two are not equal angles, no. Okay, that's why here this is some other x, y, z. So y is not equals to z. We know that condition. Why? Because y plus z, these two forms here linear pair. So linear pair forms 180 degrees, but those two are not equal. Okay, in some cases it is equal. When it is equal, if that given lines are parallel and transversal line is a perpendicular line. Okay, this transversal is a perpendicular line. In this case we can say that. Okay, here this is a perpendicular, then in this case we can say that here y is equals to z. Okay, but here this is not a perpendicular line, that is just one of the normal line they given, one of the straight line. Okay, that is not a perpendicular. That's why here we can't say that y is equals to z. So option 2 is wrong. Okay, come to the third one. Angle ABC is equals to angle FDZ. Angle ABC. So this is x, which is equals to FDZ. FDZ. So here angle is equals to Z. Okay, we taken that one. Just observe that. Here this is x, and when you observe these two lines here, we can observe that one more angle. Okay, these two becomes corresponding angles only, no? Why? Because we can observe here one of the F shape and these two angles are equal, we can write. Okay, clear? Next, when you observe that BC is a parallel to ED, and here CD is a transversal, then we can say that these two angles are equal. Okay, why? Because those two are corresponding angles. Okay, that's why we can say that here these two angles are equal. Okay, it is clear. But what they are asking, here angle and here angle, those two are equal, they are saying. Here previous we taken this one as Z. They are saying that according to that option, they are saying that x is equals to Z. Okay, by using that, from that options I am saying that x is equals to z. It is possible, it is correct or not, here we have to observe that. Okay, here this is x and this is z. According to the diagram, we know that x and z forms here linear pair. Okay, just like this condition only. Okay, here which condition we used? Again the same condition here also applied, that is x plus z. Those two are linear, those two angles are adjacent angles and those two forms linear pair, right? So that's why here x is not equals to z, but according to that option they are saying that those two are equal. So that option also wrong only. Next come to that FDE. Angle FDE is equals to angle ABC. Okay, FDE. So here one of the angle is there, no? This angle and ABC angle they are saying, which means this is x. So this is also x. So that's why we got that here also angle is equals to x at that point D. When you observe that these two angles, this is also x. Yes or no? Why? Because these two angles are vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles are equal, no? Okay, that's why here x and here also x. What is this angle? That is angle FDE, and here where we got that x angle, that is which is equals to angle ABC. So that is equal only, no? So that condition is true or false? So that condition is true. So angle FDE which is equals to, okay, angle ABC. So these two options are correct. This is a multi-correct answer. Okay, multi means more than one option correct. Okay, so here two options are also correct.